Good afternoon, Mr. Pongsak.
Good afternoon.
Uh, we would like to interview you for purchasing and supply chain subject.
Okay, it's my pleasure.
We would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Penput Utmayotin. My ID is 5430054 and my friends.
My name is Pawanrat Pakamon. My ID is 5431037. We are from marketing department and we would like to interview you about your company.
Okay. I am Pongsak Sarikup. I am the managing director of Demco Public Company Limited. It's my pleasure to give you the information of our company.
First of all, for the first question, what does the Demco do?
Okay, Demco was established in 1992. At that time, we built our own factory. Our factory at that time built hardware. Hardware is steel with a hot dip galvanized used at the top of the pole of a concrete pole in the distribution system, electrical system. And our factory has developed. So far, we can produce a steel structure used in the telecommunication system. You can see when you drive the car out of the country, on the left hand side, you can see the steel structure with the color white and red with a container. That's a telecommunication tower. And we produce the transmission tower used in the transmission system of EGAT and PEA. EGAT is the Electricity Generating Authority of Thailand, and PEA is the Provincial Electricity Authority. That's in terms of the manufacturer. Secondly, we are contractor. We build substation. No, we are contractor. The first type of the contractor, we build the electrical system. Electrical system comprises a substation, transmission system, and distribution system. Another type is the mechanical and electrical system. We install the air condition. We install a piping used in a gas pipeline, a steam pipeline, and we build a civil work such as the building, control building. In addition, we can install the telecommunication tower. Another thing is we build a wind. We step into the renewable energy. We build a wind farm and solar farm. That's our type of business.
Does your company investment or join with the other?
Okay. Um, 3 years ago, we stepped into the renewable energy as a contractor, and we negotiate with the owner that can we invest as a shareholder in a wind farm and solar farm. The owner said yes. So at this moment, we have some share in the wind energy farm and solar farm.
Number 3, what is the strategy of purchasing that your company use?
Because the equipment that we used, it must be high quality because used in the electrical system. So first of all, we have the vendor list. The vendor list must be approved by the owner. The owner means EGAT and PEA and MEA, who certify, who approve this vendor. So the new vendor who would like to supply their equipment, not easy. They must must be approved by our owner. Our owner means EGAT, PEA, and MEA. And we need high quality, so we negotiate with all of the vendor list the specification, because the specification change time by time. That's the quality that we need. Secondly, time of delivery. If they cannot supply us on time, it will affect our project timeline. So the first one is a specification, means the quality. The second one is the time of delivery. If they can do like this, it means win-win game. If they can supply us what we need, so what they need is the money. So the terms of payment, we have to pay them on time also.
Number 4. How does your company adapt to the globalization?
Yes, so far we have done the business in Thailand, but in the near future, we will step into our neighbor country, such as Laos, Myanmar, and Cambodia.
Number 5. What are your main measure of a problem in your company?
The major problem is because we are contractor. So what our business concern is about project management. Project management means you must have a high quality of an engineer. That's our problem. Especially we need a skilled engineer who can speak English. That's the problem. Not only my country, but also all of the company in Thailand. Thai people, Thai engineer, Thai accountants, 95% cannot speak English. They can speak English only 5%.
Number 6. What does your purchasing department do?
Our purchasing department do the first step is the request from the project team. The project team they must have, first of all, they must have the project schedule. The project schedule, one thing is the material. The material, so they will submit the request to use the equipment to the purchasing department and send them the specification and time of delivery to the purchasing department. After that, the purchasing department will send the specification to all of the vendor list and then ask them to send the quotation. The vendor will send us the quotation, the specification of the equipment and time of delivery and the price. If their equipment, the quotation comply with our specification, the next step to consider is the time of delivery, and the last step is price.
Number 7. How do you choose material and supply? What are they?
The material that we choose from the vendor list, we have the vendor list. And in case of our business, like transformer, we have the vendor list comprised such as Thai transformer, Ekalat transformer, Dahen electric transformer. For the conductor such as Fels Dodge, Bangkok cable, Thai Yasaki. How to choose which vendor, which supplier is the specification, time of delivery, and lastly is the price.
Number 8. How do you maintain the relationship between you and your supplier?
Normally, we have the meeting with our supplier time by time, month by month, sometimes once a month, to inform them our plan. When we inform them our plan, so the supplier can plan their manufacturing program, schedule, plan, or manufacturing plan. And to maintain them is what they need from them, what they need from us, like a demand and supply. If they can support us, what we need means the equipment comply with the specification, time of delivery, what they need, and the price. is the lowest, and then what they need from us is the terms of payment. Like in the contract, if we negotiate that after delivery, the terms of payment is within 7 days. 7 days means 7 days. 7 days we have to pay them. If like this, it's a win-win game. What we need from them, what they need from us, like a demand and supply. And we must have the meeting with them time by time.
Number 9. Who are your main competitors?
Because we do the business, many type of business. So our competitor must be classified into which our product. Like the first one is a steel structure and steel tower. In Thailand, there are only 5 manufacturers who can produce like us, such as SST, SCI, เอื้อวิทยา Thai Scandic. This is a steel structure. And in case of an electrical system contractor, like a Sea Utong, ABB, Siemens, Loxley. This is a sample.
Number 10. How do you manage your employees effectively?
First of all, we must have a meeting with them. Like my company, I have a meeting with the executive, with the management team. Every bi-weekly meeting with our high management team every Monday. Bi-weekly meeting on Monday. To inform them the policy, to inform them the project, to inform them the management, to inform them the weak point, the strong point, and we discuss top down and bottom up. Secondly, we must give them the salary that they satisfy with the salary that they get. The third one, we have to develop them by send them to the training course, send them to the abroad, to the Europe, to trade with a manufacturer, like a circuit breaker manufacturer, send our electrical engineer to train there.
What is the strength in your company?
Most of our engineers are from PEA and EGAT. Like me, I used to work for PEA 12 years. Our board of director, 80% of our board of director used to work with EGAT and PEA and MEA. So we have a good connection with electric utility, EGAT and PEA and MEA. So that's our strength.
Did the politics impact the company? Which way and how to solve?
Impact in case of in terms of a short run, its impact not much, because the ministry has already approved the plan, and PEA, MEA, and EGAT, they use their own budget. So in terms of short run, no problem. And electricity is the important infrastructure. Thailand must have infrastructure, especially electrical system. But in terms of a long run, in case of the next plan, if it will not be approved by the ministry, that's a problem. But in terms of a long run, and I think at that time the politics, like the protest nowadays, will be solved in not so long.
If one day purchasing department has problems, how you deal with it? And for example, out of supply and shortage of employee.
Out of supply, I would like to say like this: before we face a problem, we must solve the risk today. That is, we have to diversify the supplier as much as possible. The qualifier supplier, not lean on only one supplier. That's you face a lot of problem. You must diversify the supplier, the diversify to the qualified supplier as much as possible. Anyway, if one day we face the shortage of supply,
No, shortage of employees.
okay, shortage of employee for the purchasing department, I'm sure that we will not face that problem because we have a project management team, and the project management team can do the purchasing process.
What are the advantage and disadvantage of centralization in the company?
The centralization is a control system by the top management. It's okay. That's the outcome of the company will comply with the top management policy. But the problem is, in case of your company is a small company, it's okay. But if you're a big company, it's impossible for the centralization. You must decentralize the power to the deputy managing director, assistant managing director, to the manager of the department as much as possible, and you can control the policy. If you can do like this, the decentralization is better than centralization. Like someone say, Bangkok is Thailand, Thailand is Bangkok. Everything is in Bangkok. The head office of the government is in Bangkok. The approval of everything is in Bangkok. That's the past. But nowadays, the government try to decentralize the power to Chiang Mai, to Khon Kaen, to Ubon Ratchathani, in order to manage our country efficiently and effectively.
How about your stock and stockholders? How can you convince them to buy?
Okay. The investor that look our company, they look at our plan, they look at our outcome that affect, that shown in financial statement. My company is a listed company, so all of the investor can investigate, can follow up, can get all the information of our company, because our company is a listed company, and we have an opportunity day at the SET, Stock Exchange of Thailand. Once a quarter, we have to explain to all of the investor what our performance in the past quarter, and the next plan, what we will do. We have to inform to all of the investor and the financial statement.
This is last question. Is there any trend that can change purchasing in the future?
The trend is nowadays we use like a manual. We use a lot of employee to deal with the purchasing process. But in the near future, we must use the IT into the process of a purchasing process. At that, if you use if you use the IT, the process will be faster and will be more accuracy than by use the manual. But the problem is about employment in the future.
We are from Assumption University. Thank you in advance for today.
You are welcome. It's my pleasure. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me.